Hey guys, I'm up and I'm about to make me a smoothie. So I just wanted to make this video because I think it's very important that if you are starting herbs and stuff, you also gotta have your fruit and your vegetables, okay? Because that's a big part of getting stuff out. So I went to show y'all my smoothie regimen that I will be making. Okay. Oh, my son's crying. Hold on. What's the matter? Get up. And we gotta make sure we eating healthy because I'm breastfeeding, so everything I eat, my son's getting it. So for my smoothie, this is what I use. I use like this little personal blender. I think somebody got it for me for Christmas, but I think they probably got it from like Walmart or something. I like avocados, blueberries, strawberries, apples, and spinach. And I used to make smoothies every morning, like every single day, but sis be booked and busy, so I finally got a chance to do it. Like, I try to eat fruit and stuff, like whole fruit, which is important, but I miss my smoothies. And my 1-year-old, she actually like downs those naked smoothies, even though they not as good as mine. But she's a vegan for real. Like, she be out at dinner eating Caesar salads and stuff. Like, that's my sauce. Okay, so of course you need to wash all your fruit off. Oh, the other thing, you need some type of liquid. So you can use water, you can use almond milk. I don't use that for fruit. I would use that more for like peanut butter and chocolate smoothie with protein, like a protein shake type of thing. I would use milk. But for like a fruit smoothie, I would use like coconut water, regular water, or some type of fruit juice. I personally like to use apple juice. Like, it just hit different. But I am going to use orange juice today because we don't have no apple juice. I thought we did, but we don't. So as soon as my son gets out his funky funk. What's your matter? What's the matter? You want to say hi? He's mad. You want some mommy smoothie?
The best party soundtrack? It's a must that you check out the twerk station. Click here to
Okay. Okay, let's put you down. Ooh. I'm gonna get in the orange juice. Alright. So, since my thing is so small, like usually I will have it in a big blender, but since my thing is so small, I can only use like smaller portion. Oh, I also have some pineapples, but I'm not going to use it for this. Now, avocados are really thick, so this is really what's going to thicken up the smoothie for real. Lori, this is what's going to thicken up the smoothie, so you don't want to use the whole thing, especially in something this small. So, comes in its own little cup. You can just drink it out of here. My son think he my man. He think he runs stuff. So this is how I open my avocado. I just cut it down. Cut it down the middle. Not just open it like that. It got this little seed in the middle. Now, I usually take a spoon and pop it out if I was using the whole thing, but I'm not, so I'll just not use that part. I don't need a spoon. Thought I didn't need a spoon, but I guess I did. Forgot about these little things. Okay, so I just use it, scoop it, scoop it out. Probably don't even need all that for real. Let me put this in half. Boom. I don't know, maybe a little bit more. No, that should be good. For my apple, cut it in half. You want to keep the skin on there, like the skin and stuff of the apples and stuff, like that helps you. That helps like the fiber, like that helps bulk your poops up and stuff. So, and I just cut it like I would cut my little kids some fruit, like these little slices. I cut this little middle piece off though, like I'll go down the middle like that. We don't want the seed. Alright, that should be enough. Then, next fruit I'm going to use are my strawberries. I love strawberries, so I usually put a whole bunch of strawberries, but it's to everybody else's liking, like whatever you like. Okay. Excuse my Pandora in the background. You just cut the top off, and then I'll slice them in half. They're going to be blended, but you want to make sure that you can get enough fruit in there, so you don't want to just throw big old chunks. Nori, what's the matter, baby? Hold on, mommy making a smoothie. Excuse my son's cry, like babies cry, so that's what they did. That's how they talk. But mommy would never be able to get her smoothie if I was picking you up the whole time. Actually, I have this little carrier thing that my friend got me. Shout out to James. Okay, y'all. Sorry, hold on. This is getting out of here slow. Alright, listen. Mommy gonna make her smoothie, okay? Why you don't want mommy to make a smoothie? It's okay. You spoiled. Say I'm not spoiled, mommy. I just love you. Yeah, I just love all your attention. Yeah. It's supposed to be nap time for real. Nah, yeah, I know. I know. Okay. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Strawberries. That's my stuff. Some blueberries. I love blueberries. Like, black card revoked. But who cares? I love blueberries, so I just grab a handful, put them in there. And finally, my veggie. Spinach. And like when I was trying to gain weight and stuff, like gain muscle, I would just put some protein, some plant-based protein powder in here. So like if you was to just mix this all up without no water, it would be like, I don't know, it would be weird looking. You couldn't drink it. You would be basically chewing it like applesauce or something. Oh my goodness. This That's what happens when you breastfeed too. Your hips like are attached. Okay. And they be knowing too when you're doing something. They really do. Okay. So anyway, put some orange juice in here. And this is mom life too, so don't be over there judging. This is mom life. Okay? So this is a great honor. It's an honor. And I like to fill my orange juice probably up to maybe half. Like the more liquid you put in, the more like thinner it's gonna be. So this is for the consistency. If you like thick shakes, you like thick smoothies, don't put as much liquid, but you still need to put some liquid in there. But if you like watery, like thinner, they put more. And I'm also breastfeeding right now, so just put this top on. Team breastfeeding moms. Yes, black moms breastfeed. Yes. It's a whole vibe. So then this is super cool because all you got to do is put the top on, flip it over like this till it fits in, and then just twist it. Okay, wait. My avocado's stuck at the top. Okay. Boom! Breakfast sauce. Nutritious whole breakfast. You done got in 5 fruit groups. Okay. Yes, this is my smoothie. I'm about to down this. Like I said, you can pretty much put in whatever you want to put into your smoothie. And on top of that, like, you don't have to just make fruit smoothies. Some people make, I'm sorry, my boobs out. But some people make all vegetables, carrots. Like, basically, you want to pick fruits that you either really like, or you want to pick stuff that targets certain things. So, like, beets and stuff, those target. If you have vision problems, go get some beets and put it in. Like, and it's, you're not even gonna taste it. That's why a lot of people don't like smoothies, especially if they're green, because they're like, ew, it's gonna taste like spinach and all of that. Like, no, you don't even taste it. I swear to you, I'm not gonna cap. You don't taste it. And that's why I like to put a lot of strawberries, because I like the taste of strawberries. And so I mostly take strawberries or whatever liquid I put in my smoothie. So thank you guys for watching. This is my breakfast. I'm about to eat this. Drink this, and probably eat something afterwards. And yeah, so say bye, baby. Say bye. Yes. Deuces.